Bittorrent Value Forecast 2023 to 2024. Bittorrent cost began in 2023 at $0.00000062. Today, Bittorrent exchanged at $0.00000099, so the cost expanded by 60% from the very start of the year. The determined Bittorrent cost toward the finish of 2023 is $0.00000188 and the year-to-year change plus 203%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 90%. In the primary portion of 2024, the Bittorrent cost will move to $0.00000213. In the final part, the cost would lose $0.00000031 and close the year at $0.00000182, which is plus 84% to the ongoing cost. The gauge for later, close to days and months. Sunday, December 10, $0.00000103. Monday, December 11, $0.000000 win $07. Tuesday, December 12, $0.000000 win $1. Wednesday, December 13, $0.000000 win $5. Thursday, December 14, $0.000000 win $9. Friday, December 15, $0.000000 win $3. Saturday, December 16, $0.000000 win $7. Sunday, December 17, $0.00000131. January 15, $0.000000 win $9. February 15, $0.00000 win $4. March 15, $0.00000 win $8. April 15, $0.000000203. May 15, $0.000000207. Bittorrent expectation 2025 to 2029. This 5 years would bring an increment. Bittorrent cost would move from $0.00000 win $82 to $0.0000279, which is up 53%. Bittorrent will begin 2025 at $0.000000182, then take off to $0.000000194 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $0.000000173. That implies plus 75% from today. Bittorrent expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Bittorrent cost would ascend from $0.000000279 to $0.0000403, which is plus 44%. Bittorrent will begin 2030 at $0.000000279, then take off to $0.000000274 inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2030 at $0.000000290. It is about plus 193% from today. Bittorrent Value Forecast 2023 to 2024. Bittorrent cost began in 2023 at $0.0000062. Today, Bittorrent exchanged at $0.0000049, so the cost diminished by 21% from the very start of the year. The estimated Bittorrent cost toward the finish of 2023 is $0.0000059 and the year-to-year change 5%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 21%. In the principal half of 2024, the Bittorrent cost will move to $0.0000061. In the final part, the cost would add $0.0000003 and close the year at $0.0000064, which is plus 32% to the ongoing cost. Bittorrent forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring a reduction. Bittorrent cost would move from $0.0000064 to $0.0000055, which is 14%. Bittorrent will begin 2025 at $0.0000064, then, at that point, dip to $0.0000060 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $0.0000053. That implies plus 9% from today. Bittorrent forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Bittorrent cost would ascend from $0.0000055 to $0.0000077, which is plus 40%. Bittorrent will begin 2030 at $0.00000055, then take off to $0.00000059 inside the principal half of the year and finish 2030 at $0.00000063. It is about plus 29% from today. 11/1/2023 Bittorrent value expectation 2023 to 2024 Bittorrent cost began in 2023 at $0.00000062. Today, Bittorrent exchanged at $0.00000046, so the cost diminished by 25% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Bittorrent cost toward the finish of 2023 is $0.00000055 and the year-to-year change 11%. The ascent from today to year-end. Plus 19%. In the main portion of 2024, the Bittorrent cost will move to $0.00000057. In the final part, the cost would add $0.00000003 and close the year at $0.00000060, which is plus 30% to the ongoing cost. Bittorrent expectation 2025 to 2029 these 5 years would bring a diminishing. Bittorrent cost would move from $0.00000060 to $0.00000051, which is 15%. Bittorrent will begin 2025 at $0.00000060, then dip to $0.00000056 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $0.00000049. That implies plus 6% from today. Bittorrent forecast 2030 to 2034 in this period, the Bittorrent cost would ascend from $0.00000051 to $0.00000069, which is plus 35%. Bittorrent will begin 2030 at $0.00000051, then, at that point, take off to $0.00000054 inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2030 at $0.00000057. It is about plus 23% from today. 10/15/2023 Bittorrent value expectation 2023 to 2024 Bittorrent cost began in 2023 at $0.00000062. Today, Bittorrent exchanged at $0.00000037, so the cost diminished by 41% from the start of the year. The gauge Bittorrent cost toward the finish of 2023